Did you know that the way you ask an AI can completely change the answer you get? That's where prompt engineering comes in. Prompt engineering is the art of designing effective inputs to get accurate, useful, and reliable outputs from AI models like ChatGPT or GPT-4. For example, instead of saying explain AI, a better prompt would be explain artificial intelligence in simple terms with real-life examples for beginners. Modern prompt engineering goes further with techniques like angidarsin amr RE and then. These techniques help AI think more logically and give structured answers. But what if you want to build real applications using AI? That's where LangChain comes in. LangChain is a framework that connects language models with external tools, data, and workflows. With LangChain, you can imagine a customer support bot. With prompt engineering, you control how it responds. With LangChain, you connect it to real customer data. In short, prompt engineering shapes how AI thinks, and LangChain helps what AI can do. Master both, and you unlock the true power of modern AI.